In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get real-time data in TradingView. By the end, you'll verify whether your data is delayed, add official real-time exchange data from your account, select the exact exchanges you need, or connect a supported broker in the trading panel to use your broker's real-time data for free. First, check your data status. On your watch list, hover your mouse over a ticker symbol. Look for a small D icon next to the symbol. If you see D, that means the quote is delayed, typically by 10 to 15 minutes. If it shows D, you'll want to either subscribe to the exchange data you need or connect a supported broker. Next, purchase data from your TradingView account. Go to the top right and open your user profile menu. Click Account and Billing. On the Account and Billing page, select Add Extra Market Data. This is where you can enable official real-time exchange data directly from TradingView. Keep this page open. You'll choose the exchanges on the next screen. Now, select the exchanges you need. In the market data list, find the specific exchanges required for the symbols you follow. For U.S. stocks, that typically includes NASDAQ, NYSE, and NYSE. ARCA. Check the boxes for each exchange you need. Each exchange has a monthly fee shown on the screen. Review the description so you only pay for what you actually use. Continue to the confirmation, review the total, and complete the purchase. If you're prompted for billing or payment details, enter them carefully and confirm. Once that's done, your TradingView account will enable real-time data for the exchanges you just selected. At this point, go back to your chart or watch list. So hover over the same tickers you checked earlier. For symbols covered by your new subscriptions, the D icon should no longer appear, and prices will update tick by tick as the market moves. If a ticker still shows D, it means that symbol is on an exchange you haven't subscribed to yet. In that case, return to Account and Billing and add the matching exchange. From here, if you have a supported broker, you can use broker integration. This lets you use your broker's real-time data for free in TradingView. Open the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Find your broker in the list, for example, Interactive Brokers or AMP. Click Connect. A login window opens. Sign in to your broker account and approve the connection. After authorization, the trading panel will show you as connected. Your charts and watch list will now stream your broker's real-time data for the instruments your broker supports. If a symbol doesn't update in real time through the broker, that simply means the broker connection doesn't provide data for that specific exchange or instrument. Use your exchange subscription for those. To confirm everything is set, watch the price updates on an active market symbol. You should see prices changing in real time without the D icon on symbols covered by either your exchange subscriptions or your connected broker. If markets are closed, check during market hours to verify live updates. That's it. You've checked your data status, purchased and enabled the required exchanges, and, if applicable, connected a supported broker in the trading panel to use your broker's real-time data for free. Your TradingView workspace now has real-time data for the markets you selected and trade. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.